The way this all came about was I had a heart scan and it showed that I had mitral valve flap prolapse. I was told that I would need a cardiologist, and the cardiologist did a couple tests, directed me here. After speaking with Dr. Arnofsky for about 5 or 10 minutes, he said, "How did we get here? You have no symptoms." And I said, "Through a heart scan." The way I understand it is once the heart's supposed to operate above 50% full of blood, and mine was going down to 40%. And Dr. Arnofsky said, "It'll be open heart surgery. I'm going to repair it. You won't be on blood thinner for the rest of your life. And being that you're active and you're still working, you'll have a better lifestyle for the rest of your life." And that meant a lot. I was able to get back to work in exactly what he had said, 6 weeks. The people at Englewood Health, Dr. Arnofsky, the 7th floor, the nurses, the administrators, they couldn't have done any better. It was absolutely wonderful experience at Englewood Health, and it was fantastic.